I'm Ben Tranchina. I'm the head of engineering for InCube Labs.
I'm Phil Morgan. I'm the general manager here at InCube Labs. My training is in pharmacology. I work on the drug part of our drug-device combination products.
InCube Labs is an applied research firm where we developed new innovations for treating various diseases. We have a cross-disciplined approach to solving problems. So we have people here from different backgrounds, different science backgrounds, different engineering backgrounds, and different strengths in order to help us solve these problems. Our companies are CoRhythm, which focuses on atrial fibrillation, Neuralink, which is patients who are suffering from epilepsy, FE3 Medical, which is for iron deficiency anemia. It's a patch that delivers iron to the skin. We have a implantable device, drug-device combination for cancer, the name of Theracle. And then we have a technology company that's called iBridge to help bring all this information together and help physicians manage their patients more effectively.
The one piece of information that I would like to get across to high school students, if I only could say one thing, is that if you look at the entire educational system, and I've been through it from the beginning to the end, I have a bachelor's, a master's, an MBA, a PhD. The most difficult component, the most difficult period is high school. Once you get through that, it's a lot more interesting, a lot more fun, and you will totally enjoy it.